So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with the wind effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have an image, and in order to apply the wind effect to it, you need to first select the image and then go around onto the effects menu right here. So once you go ahead and do that, over here on the let's say for example on the distort section right here, you can see that wind is an option, and once you go ahead and then apply this, then you can see that this is the wind that you have. So if I were to go ahead and change around the strength right here, I can change the strength of the wind just like this, as you can see, and you can change the opacity of this as well. So if I were to go ahead and decrease and increase the opacity, then you can see that right here. If I were to change around the angle, then you can see that the angle of the wind changes around over here just like this as well. So that is how you can simply go ahead and apply out the wind effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.